Friends, let us try to do question number 6 of exercise 27. So how to solve this question, let us see. So in the question number 6 we are given bracket open 3 by 4 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, and then we have divide, then 2 whole 1 by 2 minus bracket open 2 by 3 into 7 by 8 bracket close, divide sign, then 1 by 4, or which we can call it as 1 whole 1 by 4. So see, whatever is inside the bracket, we have to solve it first. You know this one because of the BODMAS formula. Okay, and whatever is in the mix fraction, or which is whatever is in the mixed number, will change it into improper fraction. So let us do it. See, 4 and 2 LCM we have to find out. Okay, you know, whenever we want to add two fractions, we have to first find out the LCM of their denominators. So 4 and 2 LCM we will find out. So if you try to find the LCM of 4 and 2, it will be 2 1 ja 2, then 2 2 ja 4, and again 2 1 ja 2. So you see, this 2 into 2, what is left here? 2 into 2 will give you 4. So the LCM is actually 4. So therefore I have written here 4. You see, I've given a long dash, then I have written 4 here, and after that I have written this 3 here. You see, this 3 I have written, then given a multiply sign, and then I have multiplied a number that is 1 to get this 4. Okay, so 4 1 ja 4. Again I'll keep this plus sign here, then I'll write 1, then a multiply sign, and then I will think what I'll multiply with this 2 to get this 4. Definitely if I'll multiply 2, then I'll get 4. So 2 2 is 4. So I've written here this 2. Okay. Now let us move on. We'll put a divide sign, and then we'll change this one a mixed number. So you remember the formula: 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay. So 2 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So therefore I got here 5 by 2 minus. Then now this number is actually in multiply sign. Though we can do cross cutting also, 2 and 8 can be easily cut, but I'll not do this one. We'll directly multiply 2 into 7, and we'll multiply then 3 into 8. So if you multiply 2 into 7, we'll get 14, and 3 into 8 will give you 24. Now write the divide sign, and 4 1 ja 4, and plus 1 will give you 5 by 4. Let us see. Then we have 3 1 ja 3, okay, and 1 2 ja 2. So 3 1 ja 3 and 1 2 ja 2, that means 3 plus 2 will give you 5, this 5. So 5 by 4. Now this divide sign and 5 by 2 comes here, and put minus sign, then bring this 14 by 24 outside the bracket, and put a divide sign, then write 5 by 4. Okay, now let us see further. This divide sign, in the case of fractions, if there is a divide sign, we can change the divide sign into multiply, and as soon as you change the divide into multiply, then the positions of the denominator and the numerator gets exchanged. That means it changes. If it is 5 by 2, it will become 2 by 5. You see here, it was 5 by 2, it became 2 by 5 here, because I changed divide to multiply sign. So after changing this one, see, this 5 and this 5 can be easily divided by each other. So I have divided 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5. Now this 2 can easily divide this 4. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So what is left? Well, what is left? It is 1 by 2 into 1 by 1. If you multiply 1 into 1 and 2 and 2 1 ja 2, then your answer will come 1 by 2. Okay. Now see, this minus sign also we have brought here, and now this divide sign we will change into multiply. As soon as you change divide sign into multiply, 4 goes up and 5 comes down. You see, 4 is up and 5 is down. Now we'll try to divide. You see, 24 and 4 can be easily divided, because 4 6 are 24, but 14 and 5 cannot be divided, so they will be left as it is. Now what we do, the new number is 1 by 2 minus 14 by 6 into 1 by 5. We'll multiply 14 into 1, you'll get 14, 6 5 is 30, So now you find the LCM of 2 and 30. So if you find the LCM of 2 and 30, okay, so 2 1 is 2 and 2 15 is 30. Then again you have to take 3, and 3 5 is 15 and 5 1 is 5. Now if you 5 2 is 10 and 10 3 is 30, so LCM is 30 here. LCM is 30. So in the same we will do as we did before. What we'll do, we'll write 30 here as the LCM, then we'll write this 1 here, okay, and we'll put a multiply sign here. Then we'll think what will you multiply with this 2 in order to get this 30. So 2 15s are actually 30, so therefore we have written here 15. Now bring minus sign down and write 14 here, write 14 here, then multiply, and then multiply 14 multiply 1, okay, multiply 14 by 1 by, because 31 is 30. So 15, 1 15 is 15, 1 15 is 15, then minus, then 14, 15 minus 14, 1 by 30. So your final answer is 1 by 30. In the same manner we'll try to do question number 10. Let us try to do question number 10. In the question number 10 we are given 5 whole 1 by 7 minus, then bracket open, this is second bracket, then 3 whole 3 by 10 divided, bracket open again the first bracket, then 2 whole 4 by 5 minus 7 by 10 bracket close, and again the second bracket also closed. Now change this one into improper fraction. When you will change, 5 7 is 35 plus 1 36 by 7. Then we have 10 3 is 30, 30 plus 3 is 33 by 10. Then divide sign, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 14 by 5 minus 10 by 10, and this bracket close. So 36 by 7 minus bracket open, 33 by 10, divide sign. Then find the LCM of 5 and 10. When you will find the LCM of 5 and 10, your LCM will be 10. Write the 14 as it is, put a multiply sign, then think what will you multiply with 5 to get 10. So 5 2 is 10, we know. Put the minus sign, then put 7 here, then give a multiply sign and think what will you multiply by 10 to get 10. It is 1. So we have written 1 here. So now we have 36 by 7 minus 33 by 10, divide sign, then bracket open, 20, 14 2 is 28 and 7 1 is 7. Then again you write 36 by 7, then minus, bracket open, 33 by 10, divide sign. Why? Because 28 minus 7 will give you 21, so it is 21 by 10. So bracket open, bracket is closed. And 36 by 7 minus, now change this divide sign into multiply. Change this divide sign into multiply. When you change this one divide sign, okay, when you change this divide sign into, okay, this one I have done a mistake here, so do not write this one, okay, do not write this one. So here 36 by 7 minus, then 33 by 10 into 10 by 21, because we have changed this multiply divide into multiply, so the number also changes its position. So 10 cancel 10, and table of 3 also you can cancel 33 and 21, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, and 3 7 is 21. So finally what is left is 11 by 7, 36 by 7 minus 11 by 7. So denominators are same, therefore we don't need to take out the LCM. We'll directly write 36 minus 11 by 7. If you subtract, you will get 25 by 7. If you try to change this number into mixed number, you will get 3 4 by 7, because 3 7 is 21, 21 plus 24, so 25 by 7. This is how you are going to do all other questions. Thank you.